Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include traction control, adjustable steering wheel, pass-through rear seat, tire pressure monitoring system, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive 2015 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, intermittent wipers, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.